Hello everyone, I'm coming to you today and I'm giving you a little informational about this new lawnmower that I bought, a little tutorial. I brought the Cub Cadet ZT1 Zero Radius, and it's a really nice Cub Cadet. Take a look at it. Here's the back end of it. You know, I'm a novice at this type of lawnmower, so I really didn't know a lot about it. They dropped this off in the driveway, and they didn't even show me where the keys were. The keys were in the bag. I had to locate the keys, and then I had to figure out things from that point on. And what I did figure out from looking at another YouTube video is that it has J-hooks on the back. These J-hooks keeps it from moving forward, reverse, in any direction. In order for you to make it go forward or backwards, you gotta unleash these J-hooks. These J-hooks are in the neutral position, and they're right back here. I don't know if you can get a good look at that. It's right there. So it's in the neutral position first, but when it comes in that locking position, that little hole. They're both in that locking position. There's two of them. There's one on each side. So you got to make sure you release that J-hook. And if you don't, you can get it started, but you can't move it. Other few things about it, you know, it has a seat, but this seat doesn't, it's hard to adjust without lifting the seat forward, and then those little wing nuts. There's a bolt on each side that slides forward and backwards. Then there's a little wing nut, those little black wing nuts. You got to take those both out and then slip it back and then find the new hole. And if you don't do that, you can't. That's the only way to adjust that seat. I don't think that was a good design. It has the new gel battery in it. This gel battery is supposed to last from 5 to 20 years. It's supposed to be maintenance free, and hopefully it lasts to 20 years. I don't have to worry about it. Where an acid battery only lasts from 3 to 5 years. So that's a good thing. Over here you have the control panel. So that's where the key is. You know, you turn the key on like normal. First you choke it and you put it in high gear, the rabbit, and then you pull the choke up. You start it. And once it starts, you lower it back a little bit, and then you push the choke back in. That yellow button there, that's for implementing your blades. If you want your blades to turn, you want them to go on, you pull it out. If you want them to stop, you push it in. You know, so far, so good. I like the look, you know, I like the ride. It helps with the cutting of grass, it makes it a lot faster, those type of things. So I just wanted to give you a little information about that, you know, so you won't have to go through the type of things I have to go through. So until next time,